Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel and style creation friends. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of high heels for you. And it's a very new and a very different collection of my channel, so please, it's a request that watch this stunning and beautiful video of my channel in style creation till the end. So coming back to our topic guys, as you can see that it's very new and a very different collection, because these type of heels and these type of high heels are for bridals, are for girls, for ladies, for teenagers, and you can wear them if you're for your wedding event or any wedding ceremony, if you are attending a wedding ceremony of your friend, of your relative, or if you are going on a karaoke party or any night out, any hangouts with your friends, with your relatives, so you can wear these type of heels as well. So guys, please watch this stunning and beautiful video till the end, and thank you so much guys for your love and for your support as well, and I hope that you are interested in my video also. So guys, if you are interested in my video, so please press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon you may able to see my uploads earlier, but if you are not pressing the bell icon, so so badly that you are not going to miss my all videos on my fashion uploads. So it's a request that please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. I hope that you are interested in my video. So if you are interested, so tell me in the comment box that if you are interested in my video or not, or if you want to see any other type of fashion video, like any type of fashion jewelry, accessory, any type of dresses, any Indian dresses, so you can tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you. And please share this video with your family members, with your relatives, with your friends as well. Please guys, it's a request that share this video as much as you can do, as much as you can share my video. So please guys, and you can never miss my any video, and please guys make sure that you have to be subscribed to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos, and please guys keep supporting me, and thank you so much who is watching my video till the end. And please, my video almost has been ended, so in the end I'm just saying that respect your parents and elders also if you want a successful and a very beautiful life to spend. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys, see you soon with a new video and with a new fashion. And in the end I'm just saying that make sure that you subscribe to my channel and keep liking and keep sharing all videos and keep sharing my all channel as well. And please subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.